Swipe right with Raja.
Hello everyone. Have you watched Bade Miyan Chote Miyan yet? Na. 98 এর অরিজিনালটা না, but the recent remake. Akshay Kumar, Tiger Shroff, and South Indian actor Prithvi Raj, multi-starrer Sonakshi Sinha আছে. So I watched it recently. It is directed by Ali Abba Safar, and the story of the movie is very unique.
Toba.
Achha, unique cause India is once again under attack, and this time the villain is not only from Pakistan. এটার নাম হচ্ছে Mr. Naved. There is also one from China, Mr. Wang. He is also a joint enemy. And এদের দুজনের বস হচ্ছে একজন ইন্ডিয়ান, and he is not a Muslim. So আপনাকে তো ইউনিক এটা বলতেই হবে। প্লাস এখানে ক্লোনিকের কনসেপ্ট আছে। There is Akshay Kumar versus Akshay Kumar. There is Tiger Shroff versus Tiger Shroff. But there is Akshay Kumar versus Tiger Shroff. So original Bade Miyan Chote Miyan সাথে only similarity হচ্ছে যে both the heroes are in double roles. এছাড়া why the movie has been named Bade Miyan Chote Miyan, I don't have any idea. Maybe the makers wanted to cash in on the franchise. Movie action গুলা was pretty good. Tiger Shroff, Akshay Kumar মোটামুটি তো ভালো হবেই, but very poor VFX quality. I'm surprised কারণ Ali Abba Zafar is actually a very good director. or আপনি যদি সুলতান দেখে থাকেন বা মেরি ব্রাদার কি দুলহান দেখে থাকেন, those were pretty good movies. He also made a good Tigers in the Head, that was also very good. Also এইসব মুভিতে songs normally catchy হয় বা অ্যাকশনের যে ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড স্কোরগুলো থাকে ওগুলা ক্যাচি থাকে, বাট আনফরচুনেটলি এই মুভিতে ওরকম ইমপ্রেসিভ ছিল না। However, entertainment-wise, I would say it is as good or bad as a Fighter or a Pathan. It can be a one-time watch. If you are a fan of Akshay Kumar or a Tiger Shroff, you can go for it. Okay, trivia time. But original Bade Miyan Chote Miyan, Govinda and Amitabh Bachchan. That movie was actually direct copy of two movies. Movie bolte, the first half of Bade Miyan Chote Miyan was copied directly from Will Smith's Bad Boys 1টা, and the second half of the movie was copied from Shakespeare's Comedy of Errors. Comedy of Errors থেকে ইন্সপায়ার্ড কিন্তু অনেক হিন্দি মুভি আছে। রিসেন্টলি যেটা রণবীর সিং এর সার্কাস, তারপরে ওল্ড একটা মুভি ছিল ক্লাসিক, ওয়ান অফ দ্য বেস্ট হিন্দি কমেডিজ সঞ্জীব কুমারের আঙ্গুর, which was directed by Gulzar. So both of those movies were inspired from Comedy of Errors. I actually like the original Bade Miyan Chote Miyan. My friends are gonna kill me for this, but I love over-the-top comedy by David Dhawan. Our Govindar expressions, bare, and his one-liners, where he says, तुम अपने आप को मुगल आजम हमको अनारकली समझते हैं क्या बे? कितना नचा रहा है? And of course, there is the father of all, Amitabh Bachchan.